Hello, this is Slavik from NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Genie GL2T-BX 2-button remote control with flashlight.
The GL2T-BX utilizes the state-of-the-art IntelliCode access security system, which generates a new code combination every time you open your garage door. This allows for maximum security against someone stealing your codes. This Genie remote is compatible with all Genie openers manufactured since 1995. This remote also features a dual frequency control that will transmit a signal both on 315 MHz and 390 MHz frequencies. This helps to ensure operation despite interference from any consumer electronics. In the packaging you find the remote, the lanyard, the battery, and the manual. The remote is very durably built. The design of the remote is very simple with the flashlight on the top and the battery door on the back. The buttons are also very nice and have a tactile feel to it when pressed. To install or replace the battery, just open the battery door with the Phillips screwdriver. Insert the battery as the instructions say, and then close the door and screw it back with the same screwdriver. To synchronize the remote with your garage door opener, just look back at the manual and it should give you easy instructions. This small and very capable remote can be programmed to open 2 doors.
The GL2T-BX is a very small but very capable 2-button remote control. Now if you have any other questions or would like to purchase it, please visit NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Thanks for watching.